Hello, it has been a minute. It feels so weird filming. Hi. I know I've been gone for a while and I left with a typical dramatic Lauren video. I would just like to say thank you to the like 300 comments that I got on that video. You guys are so sweet. I was really reading those comments crying. I took that video down pretty fast. I think I had it up for like 3 days because I was talking to some friends and they were like, take it down. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, hi, it's really not relevant anymore. I'm doing fantastic. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I've been back on social media since like the beginning of August. So I just needed some time away from YouTube. I was kind of getting to a point where I wasn't really quite sure what to do, and I was trying to focus on moving and jobs and like all this other stuff, and this has always been a hobby for me, and I just honestly didn't really have time, and I don't like to just upload sporadically, just random content. I did vlog when I was in Atlanta, so I'm going to start doing moving vlogs kind of every now and then on here because it is September 19th, the day that you're seeing this, and I move on October 26th. So I'm super pumped. I'll probably have 2 or 3 vlogs for Atlanta. I haven't even looked at the footage yet. It's just hours and hours worth, and honestly it's kind of stressing me out thinking about it. So that's all of that jazz. The reason why I was gone is actually because I am bipolar, and that was going untreated for a really long time, but now I'm good to go. We've figured stuff out and life is so much easier now. So I apologize for my sporadic breakdowns over the past like 2 years because I just felt like I was going insane. I didn't know what was wrong. We figured it out. We're on the road to recovery. So that's really all that's going on with me. I have my fall challenge open right now. So I've been talking about it a little bit on Instagram, but basically it is going to be 30 days of workouts. It's gonna last 6 weeks. There's gonna be a Facebook community group. We're gonna be talking about meal ideas, macros. There's gonna be live Q&A sessions, informative videos, literally everything you could possibly ask for in that Facebook group. And then obviously there's prizes. So I will just link it in the description box if you'd like to purchase it. You can only purchase it until Monday, September 23rd, 11:59 p.m. Eastern, and then it closes because it really is just like a challenge. So whoever's in that group will be doing the challenge. This program's never going to be available again. I'm not gonna like re-release this. I've never sold anything for $15 before. This is the cheapest I think I've ever done, and it's because I want it to be as available to as many people as possible, and it doesn't involve coaching, so there's really no reason for me to make it like $50. I can't talk anymore. I can't do it. I just can't. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you again for all the sweet comments and anyone who reached out to me, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you.